We know the importance of fast and reliable service when you need it most. That's why we're on call for when things don't go as planned. Taking a comprehensive approach to your security, our trusted team is here to help. From smarter locking systems to advanced access control, our preventative solutions are tailored to your requirements. We assess your facility to identify risks, and we can upgrade your existing infrastructure without needing to replace it. As the trusted locksmiths for high security facilities around Australia, we pride ourselves on our dedicated and responsive service, designed to secure your buildings, protect your valuables, and keep you safe. We are ARA Locksmiths, National Commercial 24/7 Locksmiths.